we're coming over here to the bacon and the Brussels, okay?
Oh, look over there again.
Better than bacon and Brussels. And if you're not eating bacon, if you have dietary restrictions, you have a lot. I usually do like a Friendsgiving. So we combine friends and family, anybody who can't get home. We open our doors to them.
I love that.
It's so.
And that's the meaning of Thanksgiving, making friends, being thankful.
Honestly, my favorite holiday because it's about the food. It's not about the gifts. It's just about sitting around the table and eating.
It can be about the bacon, but if you have friends who don't eat bacon.
Right. Well, we have that,
It can be
right?
about toasted nuts, right? You could use toasted nuts.
You could use toasted nuts. You can
Or
use
candied nuts with Brussels sprouts would be delicious.
Oh, see, we're already taking this recipe up.
Because they're salty and they're sweet and they're crunchy like bacon, but they're nuts.
They don't have as much fat though, and to me, fat is flavor. So
Nuts are pretty fatty.
Yeah, nuts are.
Put a lot of them in, and
They're
it'll be
okay.
very fatty and nutty good.
So this is basic, right? This is nothing
So
you've
you started
never
with
seen before. You know, I have
With your
shallots
diced
in
bacon,
here now.
and
If you want to
shallots.
put garlic, you can. If you want to put red onion, whatever onion you love. You know,
Gotcha.
don't throw the baby out with the bathwater. If you don't like shallots, use another onion. If you
Gotcha.
have fine shallots, use another onion.
Yeah, sometimes they're soft, sometimes they're
Right?
past prime. It depends
Yeah.
on where your market is, right?
Just get the beautiful ones. Okay, so then it cooks down to this, as you have already maybe seen or tasted.
Whatever's left of it, shall we say.
This beautiful brown, delicious Brussels sprouts with all this bacon fat all over it.
It's so good.
Right? And then I make a top, well, it's not really a topping. I add this crispy, crunchy breadcrumb to it.
I love that because the food is so much about texture.
Texture.
Yes.
One of my favorite things is chips and crunchy things.
Yes.
You know, that's really satisfying to me. So I always want that extra added layer of texture. So I'll put in some breadcrumb. And Parmesan cheese to me is like my salt.
Yes.
I don't know if you guys have that
Oh,
Parmesan
I love
cheese.
salt. You're just a
in
little
the
bit
fridge.
more.
So I love cooking with you because you cook exactly like I do.
A little bit more.
You put some and then you put more. And then I'm gonna put a little lemon zest. Now this is like a chefy trick. I feel like we do this a lot.
Citrus, period.
Yes.
Zest and juice, acidity and or citrus zest. They brighten everything.
It's like everything. You'd be shocked when you taste something. You're like,
it's
what
like
is
turning
that?
up the light on your phone, right?
Yes.
On your pictures. or
Exactly.
whatever.
Exactly. All of a sudden you can see it. So basically, this is done, ready to go. I'm gonna pour it into my container here, my serving pot.